My first time vlogging with this camera. I'm so excited. I don't even know where to look, so I think I got the angle right now. This will be something like Christmassy, New Year's type of vlog. We shall see. I think I will be doing a lot of Christmas festivities around San Diego, so I am taking you guys with me. Aren't you the luckiest people on earth? It is a rainy evening in San Diego, which is very uncommon, but it is what it is.
You got the kick.
Okay guys, well, this is what I'm wearing for the holiday party. I got ready, I'm not exaggerating, in 5 minutes. Washed my hair at the gym, got ready super quickly, and just came over here. Wearing my cute hoodie, my Zara nice coat, my Louis Vuitton scarf. Keeps me warm because I just washed my hair. And let's go. New vlog. Let's see. Hope you guys can see me well. Had a quick breakfast. Now I'm heading to do my errands. Today woke up, went to Lafayette, had a quick breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy those Christmas decorations. It is a very nice and sunny day in San Diego. I'm heading to Barnes & Noble right now. I want to get a book for my upcoming trip and I'm taking you guys with me, so enjoy.